The dental veneer is a well-known cosmetic dental procedure that could improve your appearance by repairing imperfections of the teeth. What is the price of veneers for dental purposes, and do they really warrant investing in them? In this short video, we'll look at the elements that affect the price of veneers for dental purposes and assist you in determining if this option is suitable for you. 1. What is a dental veneer? The dental veneers can be described as thin, slender shells composed of composite or porcelain resin, which are made to be placed over the front of your tooth. They are a great way to address a range of issues with your appearance, like chipping, discoloration, cracks, gaps, and fractures within the teeth. Veneers are a great way to improve the look of your smile and can assist you in achieving the perfect smile. 2. The factors that affect the price of dental veneers. Cost of dental veneers will vary based on a variety of aspects, such as the type of material employed, the amount of veneers required, as well as the area of the dental practice. Porcelain veneers are generally higher priced than composite resin veneers. However, they're also more robust and natural looking. Cost of dental veneers are also influenced by the expertise and experience of the dentist who performs the procedure. 3. Cost of veneers for dental work. The cost of veneers for your teeth can vary between $500 and $1,500 for each tooth. It can be a significant amount when you require multiple veneers in order to get the results you want. You should consider the benefits over time of using dental veneers before considering the expense of this procedure. Although veneers can be costly initially, they will be used for a long time when properly maintained and cared for. 4. Does it really make sense to invest in this? In the end, the choice for dental veneers ultimately comes up to personal preferences and your budget. If you're self-conscious regarding the look of your teeth and would like to enhance your smile, veneers for your teeth can be an investment worth it. They can increase your self-confidence and increase the overall quality of your living. 5. Alternatives to veneers for teeth. If the expense of dental veneers are beyond your budget, you can consider other dental procedures for cosmetics that could enhance the look of your smile. Dental bonding, teeth whitening, as well as dental crowns are all alternatives worth looking into. Your dentist will help to explore the options and suggest the most appropriate solution for you. The cost of veneers for your teeth can differ according to a variety of factors. However, they are an investment worth considering for people seeking to enhance the look and appearance of their smile. Think about the benefits over time of using veneers and talk to your dentist about whether the procedure is suitable for you. A confident smile can be priceless. If you are aware of the procedure and the expectations, it is possible to approach the procedure with confidence and at ease. Be sure to adhere to your dental professional's advice for post-treatment for a positive result.